Here's how to count cells in Excel. Only if they contain a specific value. Let's say you have a list of tenants and their rent status. So whether or not they paid off their rent. And we want to figure out how many of them actually paid. Well, we could type equals count if, and for the first argument, select our range, and for the second argument, we're going to type paid. Because we only want to count the cells that contains the word paid. Then press enter. That's it. Now we can see how many tenants actually paid off their rent. So you can see here the number is 11. So if you count manually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can see here the count is 11. So in this way you can use this formula. And if the same case, if you want to count the status not paid, we can copy this and paste it here, and instead of paid we will write here not paid. And you can see here not paid is 6 and paid is 11. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.